In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a post on your Instagram account. As you can see, I have a post here that I've just published, but I'd like to go ahead and delete it. Now, to delete a post, all you need to do is to go to your profile so that everything that you published can be displayed. And as you can see, I have two posts here. So go ahead and identify the one you want to delete. And for my case, I want to delete this. So tap on it to open. Now, once you have identified the image you want to delete and you have opened it, go ahead and look for the three dots here and tap on them. And from here, scroll down until you see the delete option, which is at the end. Tap on it and then confirm that you want to delete this post by tapping on delete. Now, one thing you have to note is that you can restore this post from recently deleted in your recent activity within 30 days. So go ahead and delete it. And it is done. Now I only have one image or one post on my account. So that's how you delete posts or images on your Instagram account. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.